Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the forex markets. I think today we could take a look at the Great British Pound because, as you can see, on the euro currency nothing is going on currently. Yes, market finally starts upward action, you see here in today's session, but mostly all that we said recently and yesterday about the current situation, current patterns, where market should stay, what the performance it has to show, everything stands the same. So currently you can see on euro currency our perfect shape for bullish context holds, as market was able to hold above the 21.30, 21 area, and that is good for a bullish context, and it's trying to show the upward action. So, but as we mostly have discussed everything yesterday, I think that today we could keep an eye on the cable and see what's going on there as well. So it seems that most of risks have been eliminated on political sphere. I don't know, maybe some surprises and absolutely outstanding situation could happen, but the probability for that looks really phantom. As you can see, that it seems that Donald Trump also has acknowledged the victory of Joe Biden, and even Vladimir Putin congrats the Biden with the victory. So it means that it seems that Donald Trump probably is aimed on the 2024, trying to get the revenge on the current situation. So it's trying to become the president again. But in this year, President Trump, it seems, for 99% is over. So we will see. But currently it looks so. So markets correspondingly are acting in the same manner. So as Joe Biden victory finally, it's opened more ways for additional stimulus which could be provided, and that starts to press on the United States dollar. So you can see a lot of currencies, gold as well, other commodities are trying to move higher. So on Great British Pound, currently we need to take a look at the price behavior in this area, because here we have very well, some levels that that we could use as signal lines that could tell you definitely where the market still holds the bullish context, where it is going higher, or we will see deeper drop. So there are some barriers exist, some levels exist. The market should not break down to keep bullish context intact. On the daily chart, actually, we mostly have the same picture as we discussed a few weeks ago when we started talking about this butterfly. And we said, well, there's a lot of uncertainty around the Brexit still exists, but market has some extended targets here that has not been reached. And well, since we have some time till the final decision on the Brexit, market could try to hit it. Currently, overall situation is the same. So here we still have XOP in the butterfly with the 137 target, 136.70, 137, that market could try to hit, making the last effort to the upside. Maybe it will not happen this week because you can see the daily overbought stands relatively close to the market, but maybe this could happen within a couple of weeks before the Christmas. This market could hit this area. Because this price performance, as you will see later, is a bullish pattern, and while market will stand above these lows, it could keep chances for further upward action and reaching of this target. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. Actually, that downside action was perfect ABCD retracement forming Gartley's triple 2-buy pattern. The CDLAC is slower than AB. It is pretty sharp OP target has been reached, and market now is turning up again. Another target that we have here is the minor ABCD pattern. You could see it on the daily chart as well. sorry, I just switched passions. On the daily chart, you can see this one, ABC bottom on these upper legs, also ABCD pattern. And its OP stands slightly above the current top, so it's around 31.64. This is nearest destination point. Why are these levels in general important? Not just because this is OP, but if you'll take a look on the daily chart, you could see that this overbought stands 35.43. It agrees with the OP target. It means that this combination could become the temporal barrier for upward continuation, and since today is the Wednesday already, that could become the sale for action on this week, and probably we could focus on this level for the rest until the rest of the week. So since we have just 2-3 sessions, also on the fall time frame chart, you see we have bullish divergence pattern with MACD. It also points that this top could be taken out. So on the hourly chart, to consider this possible upward continuation, you could see we have at this part clear reverse head and shoulders pattern. That's mostly, actually that's forming on the euro currency as well. We discussed this on the top. And take a look with this OP, it also stands approximately in the same area. It's 35.90. So just 30-40 pips difference with the daily overbought and target on the fall time frame chart. That's the thing that we could consider on the Great British Pound. Correspondingly, this is easy to estimate the invalidation point. So market, as it already stands an extension, it should not show downside reversal and taken out of the C point. So that is important, crucial area for overall this bullish context. Breaking and dropping below the C point tell you that chances on upward continuation back to this area and completion of the 137 target will diminish significantly. So this is very important area, because in this case head and shoulders will fail, which means that market will drop below the head. This in turn will means that market will drop below completed Gartner's triple to sell, which means that's already is done. And from that standpoint, it will be bearish reversal swing to the downside, which in general change the overall context drastically on the cable. That's why we need to keep an eye on this point, and if you intend to take the long position, you could focus just on this most recent swing, calculate the fib levels here, trying to buy on some pullback, minor pullback with a stop somewhere below the C point, aiming first on the 135.90, 135.60 area on the fall time frame chart. So that will be the nearest ending target. So it's approximately 100 pips, so not bad potential for intraday trading. So that's what we have on cable.